I had had a crown put on many years ago at another practice, and I had a huge margin in it, and I was constantly getting food and particles in there. Very tired of toothpicking it out all the time and flossing it. So I asked Dr. Wallen if he would do a crown for me, and he said yeah, and in fact he agreed with my assessment as far as where it was at and everything. So I came in and we had it done, and within a week or so I had a brand new crown. He was able to close the margin on it, and barely was able to floss on each side very tight, and I've had incredible luck with it so far. Looks great. I mean, it matches, my shade matches. If you didn't know it was there, you'd never know. Well, I very much like this practice. Dr. Wallen is an excellent dentist. He's got a great chairside manner. He's very calm, patient, knowledgeable. He has great communication skills with the patients. He listens and shares his thoughts and ideas, but he respects the patient's opinion too.